Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to show you around one of the exciting certified pre-owned options we have on our lot today. This is a 2020 Kia Telluride S all-wheel drive, and we actually have it. A very exciting vehicle. Being an S model, you're going to have heated front seats, a power adjustable driver's seat, roof rails on the top, and this one actually already has the crossbars, so you can put any load-bearing stuff up there, bike racks, cargo pods. You'll also have the second row captain's chairs, very desirable, and all the benefits of a Telluride. Tremendous ride quality, a lot of space inside. If you look at the interior, both the first, second, and third rows will have an impressive capacity for holding you, your loved ones, and your stuff. And these vehicles, especially right now, but even since they've been out, very hard to get a hold of. And this is one that we actually have here, which you can drive home today. So if you have any questions about it or would like to stop by and check it out, just shoot us a call or stop by today.